Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to send large files on Telegram using Telegram Desktop. Telegram makes it easy to share files directly from your computer, including large documents, videos, zip files, and other types of files. The process is very similar to sending a regular file, but larger files may take more time to upload depending on the file size and your internet connection. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to select a large file from your computer, upload it to Telegram, and send it successfully in a chat. So if you want to learn how to share large files with someone using Telegram Desktop, this tutorial will guide you through the complete process. Let's get started. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Now, open the chat with the person, group, or channel where you want to send the large file. At the bottom of the chat window, click the paperclip icon to open the attachment options. From the available options, select the option to send a file or document. A file selection window will now open. Browse through your computer and locate the large file you want to send. Select the file and click the Open button. Telegram will now prepare the file for uploading. Since this is a large file, the upload may take some time. You can monitor the upload progress directly in the chat window. The time required will depend on the size of the file and the speed of your internet connection. While the file is uploading, keep Telegram Desktop open and make sure your computer remains connected to the internet. If you want, you can add a caption or a short message before sending the file. Once everything is ready, click the Send button. Telegram will now upload and send the large file to the selected chat. Wait until the upload process is completely finished. Once the upload is complete, the large file will appear in the chat and the recipient will be able to download it. And that's it. You now know how to send large files on Telegram using Telegram Desktop. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.